Hello guys, this is my laptop collection. I'll show you all my laptop collection. And hello, this is me Adi. So I have two laptops. Look at this. So you can look at this by my two laptops, and those are all my laptops that I had. So this Samsung Tab S6 Lite is perfect. It's perfect for to be computers. So this is all computers. I have them all. So this is my default laptop, my own laptop. This is my default laptop. Look at my dad buy this. Her account is here, but my account is here too. So this laptop is from mine and from my dad. So this is Samsung Tab S6 Lite. This tablet was supposed to be a computer, but they build it instead. Instead they build it a study tablet, which this is her keyboard. So I found this on my table. So this is all my computers. So I'll turn them on if so you can look at those all computers. So they are all completely working, and this computer is turned off, and my parents don't allow me to turn on this computer. If my dad is here, it will allow me to turn on the Asus computer. So it's the laptop. So you can see all this is my old laptop. They all buy it. And this is so dirty because they gave me the old laptop. So that's it. Bye bye.